To register the WordPress website in Microsoft Entra ID or in Azure AD Active Directory, we would need to go to entra.microsoft.com to go to the Entra portal. And here we need to sign in, ideally with an account that is the global administrator for this specific tenant where we would like to register our WordPress website. In Entra, we select the identity menu, and in case it's not yet expanded, we can just click once and it will expand. We scroll down to applications and we select app registrations. From the menu, we choose new registration. And first of all, we are asked to enter a name that helps us remember what the application that we are currently registering is for. So one idea would be to use the website address that we are registering this application for. So in my case, this is https WPO365 connect.com. Obviously, in your case, you will register this application for a different website, so you will enter a different name or address. Then we scroll down to the supported account types and we select the first option, accounts in this organizational directory only. If you're interested in the other options, then please check our documentation at docs.wpo365.com and search for support for multi-tenant applications. But as I said, in this case, we leave it accounts in this organizational directory only, means that this application can only be used by users in this specific Microsoft Entra ID directory tenant. We scroll down further and under redirect URI, we select the web platform and we enter the URL that WPO365 is actually proposing. To see the value for the redirect URI that WPO365 is proposing, I quickly switch to another browser tab, and here I'm already logged in to my WordPress backend, and here I can navigate to the WPO365 configuration pages. And here I have two options. If I'm configuring single sign-on, I can click on the single sign-on page and I can scroll down and I will see that here the field for redirect URI, I already have a value filled in for me. The WPO365 plugin is proposing to use your website's home address. So I copy that value. The other option is that you're configuring the Microsoft Graph mailer. In that case, you will only have the mail configuration page, but also here you will see in the section for Azure Active Directory registration that there is a redirect URI and it's already proposed and it is equal to your site's home address. So I can copy that value, I can return to Entra portal, and in the field for redirect URI I can paste that value I copied from the WPO365 configuration pages. With this step completed, I can finalize the registration of my WordPress website in the Microsoft Entra portal by clicking register.